to say, this cardigan is life-changing. I am no longer cold. It's amazing. It's Thursday morning still, kind of. It's 11:30. Thursday means therapy day, which always means it kind of like gets broken up into little bitty bits, and I never really kind of get into things because I just don't have a stretch of time that stretches. So I'm just doing like little bitty things. Day job stuff, laundry stuff, vacuuming the kitchen stuff. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna have therapy soon. And then after that, I'm going to have lunch, which is going to be exciting because it's going to be leftovers from yesterday. It's tom yum soup with chicken and like vegetables and stuff, and it's just very exciting. And then after that, I pick up the kids, and then like it's literally like that. Tuesdays and Thursdays, therapy days, I have no time to do anything. So I just have to see what I can kind of fit in between the things that I need to do. So yeah, that's what's going on. Actually, there was another fun thing. I'm just putting washing in the dryer. There was another fun thing I did this morning, which was I got a nice little envelope for one of my patrons. I got a nice little envelope ready for her with a painting and some stickers and stuff, which was fun. Yeah, I would show you the envelope, but I can't because I just gave it to Andrew, who went out to the post box, so. But it was very pretty and cute, and I love, you know, packaging stuff to send out into the world, so that was fun. Okay. You have no idea how many... Okay, so I cut out of these vlogs. Like, my whole vlog would just be, okay, so, if I left it in. Anyway, oh, that one too, anyway. That one too. I'm really, really boring. It's just that the editing makes me look like a more snappy thinker and talker than I really am. I am up here to do something I don't want to do. I need to fix a hole in this cardigan. I knew about the hole when I bought it, like they added a video to show it, so it was fully disclosed, but now I need to fix it, which means I need to sew it, and I don't really want to, but I want to because I don't want it to get any bigger. So I'm gonna do it. I am gonna do it because I love this cardigan. This is the second time I'm talking about this cardigan in this vlog, isn't it? Yes. Look, I love this. It's a thing with lots of threads of different colors. Andrew brought this to the marriage. Now there it's not the best, but it's also not the worst, so it's good enough. What's cooking, babe?
Spaghetti bolognese, which involves, first of all, getting the basics right, doing onions.
It smells amazing.
Well, onions always smell amazing.
Yeah, onions always smell amazing. You can just serve this. Cheers! Hello, good morning. It's Friday morning. I'm having a deliberately late morning. Fridays is when Andrew takes the kids into school, so I get a lie-in. And I had an early night last night as well, so I'm back, baby. My plan today, what earring shall I choose? Let's have a look. This is my earring collection. I think I'm wearing like mostly black and white stuff, so I feel like I need to balance it out with some rainbow earrings. What shall we choose? How about these ones? So today my plan is to do some recording of my Lifebook bonus lesson, which I need to deliver before the end of the month. I've got some ideas. I should be fine. I always get nervous. And I also got a really big order from my shop, which is very exciting. So I'm going to be packing that. I'll film that for you. So yeah, I'm gonna do the order stuff first, and then I will hopefully get around to the filming. I don't know. I always procrastinate a lot on these things because I get inside my head about like, I feel like, oh, it's not gonna be good enough, that kind of thing. So yeah. I also, actually, before doing the lesson, I really want to do my nails. I haven't done my nails in quite a long time because I damaged them a little bit, and I wasn't sure whether I damaged them because of bad taking the nails off technique, which is definitely possible, or whether it was just using those types of nail stickers and gel nails, whether that was just damaging my nails. I don't know. So I haven't had nails on for, I don't know, like probably a couple of months, and I feel like all the bad bits have grown out now and I can put some new ones on, so I might do that too. It's getting really busy now, all my plans. Hello, Teak! Look at these little paws. It's the chicken leg. So that's the first one. The second one is this painting, which is one of my favorite paintings that I have ever done. And it's a bit like painful and bittersweet to say goodbye to it. Like, it's the, on the one hand, it's the most amazing thing to sell a painting that kind of feels so right in terms of expression and in terms of what it ended up looking like. And then on the other hand, it's also, yeah, it's a bit painful. But I am actually, like, I'm quite excited. I honestly just went to look for my phone, thinking, where is my phone? It's here. I was filming with it. So I have spent pretty much my whole morning wrapping 2 packages, but it feels, I don't know, it feels like a kind of a mindful thing to do, like to really be with that painting, sending it out into the world. Don't know if I'm gonna get around to filming a lesson now. I can't switch the camera around. I want to film you. Andrew's like peering here through the door. It's hilarious.
No, some stuff probably.
So now I'm gonna go out and post these 2 parcels and send happy mail out into the world. Where is this vlog going? I don't know, but it's all good because I'm in charge. I just remembered something else that is fun today and exciting. I mean, something else? Was there already something exciting and fun in this vlog? I think so. But the other thing is that today is being announced that I will be, drumroll, a guest teacher on Get Messy next year. So here is the awesome website that has the details of all the guest teachers. There, that's me. There's a little, like my little bio is here somewhere. There we go. And then it tells you that I will be the guest teacher in April, season of OK. Which I got to choose, like I got to take my pick of the themes, and that really connected with me because I am always trying to send out that message that done is better than perfect. It's just so important to show up and to do something, and that something is better than nothing, and that okay is okay, yo. So I am very excited to be working on my session for that. I will be probably recording that in January, and I'm going to be focusing on a raw and imperfect portrait, which is going to, you know, my session is it's not just going to be about like how to do XYZ step by step. It's also really going to be about that, like the emotional aspect of how you can show up when you're scared, how you can show up when you are paralyzed by perfectionism, and how you can then embrace the imperfect in your work as a way of really, I don't know, experiencing a kind of freedom. I don't know, I hope it all makes sense, but I'm excited. I'm just really, really excited to be teaching on Get Messy, because I love Kaylee, as I've said in many vlogs, I think. And I just love the whole Get Messy community, so exciting. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Also, in the interest of full disclosure, because I know I talk a good talk, and I like often seem quite like I got my head together, but I am currently feeling mega anxious. I think it's partly to do with sending out those 2 orders and having to let go of kind of precious things that are now in the mail system, and I don't have control over how they get treated and whether they will arrive safely. Yeah, and I'm just feeling a bit anxious.
I think you both deserve presents. Whoa! Oh! Have a Merry Christmas!
Wow! You ready? Oh, he's thinking hard there.
Show me what you got, Zap. It's a triceratops cake.
Yum.
And you got that.
It's missing an eye. And you got a
I got a sweet. Amazing.
This is so nice and it's nearly gone.
Is it nearly gone? You've had all of yours?
Nearly.
Oh, I can see that. You just got marshmallows left. Sad tale of David the dinosaur. He lost an eye, and then now he's going to be eaten soon. So, just so you know that, like, the vlog you've just watched, that was 70 clips. That's pretty chonky, even though it wasn't a very long vlog. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining me here for Vlogmas. It's loads of fun. This is bringing me so much joy. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!